In a quiet San Antonio neighborhood just off Highway 281, you'll find Dudley Harris's Pottery Studios. Dudley's specialty is a wide range of functional pottery. All work is high-fired, which makes it food safe. People using and enjoying his work is what makes our hearts sing. Sunrise often finds Dudley with his second cup of coffee, seated at his wheel, planning what he wants to make that day.
I'm going to make a mixing bowl. This morning I'm going to be making some rather large mixing bowls. I'll use stoneware clay, and stoneware clay makes pottery that's safe for food, microwave, and dishwasher. I believe that preparing and serving food in good handmade pottery brings a bit of satisfaction and pleasure. Not bad. I'm going to trim this piece now. After about a day or so, and the bowl has gotten fairly dry, then I turn it upside down and I use cutting tools to trim what we call the foot ring. Sign my name. So this piece is now ready to dry, and we'll glaze it. The piece is glazed by dipping it into a bucket filled with combinations of silica, feldspar, clay, and wood ash. I'm going to make this piece a creamy white with a copper green accent. And I'm going to let this dry for a little bit, and then I can put the green accent on. The kiln is nearly finished. Now I'm going to take a brick out of the kiln so that I can look inside and check on the progress. It's been 4 days since I fired the kiln. It's cool enough to open, so we're going to open it and we'll see what happened.
On Saturday, December 3rd, all sales go to Texas Public Radio. That means that if you buy a $20 bowl, $20 goes to Texas Public Radio. In addition to studios, we have a large showroom in our backyard. During our annual open studios, you'll also find several outdoor tables full of beautiful work. We hope you'll come by on December 3rd and 10th from 9 to 5. It's a perfect time to wrap up your holiday shopping.